Welcome! Today we'll show you how Foundaxis is revolutionizing foundation design. Let's get straight to the point. Step 1. Export column and wall load data from your structural software. It's that easy. Then, go to foundaxis.com and log in. New here? Sign up in seconds. Step 3. Create your project and keep everything organized. After, upload your data file, ready to design. Next, choose design load combinations. Step 6. Set key parameters like materials, design stress limits, and allowed bearing percentage. One click and Foundaxis designs for you. Foundaxis suggests the required foundation types and then optimizes them. Step 8. Review designs and analyze results instantly. Need changes? Editing tools are at your fingertips. Then, design steel reinforcements in seconds. Curious about what's happening underground? Add irregular soil layers and check pressure bulbs, immediate settlements, and consolidation. Next, generates reports in .doc format ready to share, and the design plans in .dxf format. Foundaxis, fast and precise foundation design. See you next time.